Before you create lags, differences, or fixed effects, there's one step you must get right: sorting your panel. Most errors in panel data come from sorting mistakes, so let's fix that in under 2 minutes. To show you why sorting matters, I'll quickly scramble the dataset. I will sort descending by GDP, and then ascending by inflation. Now the panel looks fine at first glance, but it's completely broken. Countries jump around, years are out of order, and any lag or difference you compute will be wrong. Panel data must always be sorted by ID first, then year. In our case, country then year. Let's fix it properly. This restores the true panel structure. Now each country's years run in order, with no jumps. Sorting is the foundation of every panel data operation. Always sort by country, then year, before creating lags, differences, mergers, or fixed effects. Thank you for watching the video. Please like if you found it helpful.